QuickRows has transformed the dashboard construction process. Now you can build a full set of KPIs, selectors and amazing charts from any listing with a single keystroke. Just press Ctrl 4 and you get this professional-looking dashboard in seconds, ready to perform advanced analysis on your data. All the elements of the dashboard are linked to respond simultaneously to your interaction. QuickRows Smart Programming detects and builds the most appropriate charts, KPIs and selectors automatically, so you don't have to worry about the details and the complex tasks involved. He does it for you, selecting the most appropriate columns to build the charts. Any required adjustments to your dashboard, like the addition or modification of any component, may be done through this friendly table. You can change the type of chart, the units, the title, or even the structure. For example, we can convert the type of chart to show in a pie format only the 3 best vendors, and duplicate it to show the 3 lowest. You can also remove the unwanted charts and even adjust the size of them. Once you made the adjustments, just press Ctrl 4 again, and wait a few seconds. Any listing can be converted into dashboards with this fantastic tool. Just activate the desired listing and press Ctrl 4. That's it. All the required pivot tables are stored in the same sheet, so you can manipulate them if required. Remember, just select your desired listing and press Ctrl 4 to get a new dashboard. Could it be easier? We invite you to try it for free. Download it right now and convince yourself. See you in the next video.